Hello friends, myself Desh Mugaje. So today's video topic is array in Java. In Java, in array data structure that allows you to store multiple values of the same data type under a single variable name. It provides a way efficiently manage and manipulates a collection of elements. Arrays in Java are fundamental and widely used, providing a convenient and effective means working with the data. First one is definitions of array. Collection of multiple homogeneous data is called as array. Next one is declaration and initialization. To use an array in Java, first need to declare and initialize. The declaration specifies the data type of the elements in the array will be stored, followed by the square brackets to indicate that it is an array. Initialize invokes specifying the size of the array and creating using the new keywords. Alternatively, you can combine declaration of initialization in single line of array, accessing elements in array. Array elements are accessed using their index. The index starts with first elements and starts with 0 or ends with goes up to array length -1. Of an array size of the length, you can assign value to array elements to retrieve the values of square bracket notations. Next one is the array length. The array length of array is a fixed time of creations and the access using the length properly. Next one is the iterating through arrays. Commonly loops are used to iterate through all elements in array. The enhance the for loop to introduce Java 5 simplifies the processes. And next one is array initialization with values. You can initialize an array with a specific value at the time of creation using the curly braces. And next one is a multi-dimensional array. Java supports multi-dimensional array, allowing you to create arrays of array. Next one is the array copying. Arrays can be copied. Use the system array copy method of the array.copy or method. Next one is the array class. The array class is java.utility.arrays. The class provides various utility methods in array, working of the arrays with sorting and searching and filling. Next one is the exception handling. Arrays in Java is a fixed size and attempting to access or modify an index beyond the arrays bounds in array indexion out of index out of bound exceptions. Next one is the dynamic array. The situations where a dynamic size is required. The array list class from the java.util package provides a reusable and array implementation. In conclusion, arrays in Java are a versatile and fundamental data structure that facilitate efficient storage and manipulation of collections of elements. They are widely used and various applications, ranging from a simple data storage to complex algorithms and implementations. Understanding the principles of the method associated with the arrays circular of Java developers build a robust and efficient programs. Arrays can be whole elements, primitive data types, or objects. For primitive types of the array hold the actual values. With for objects, while for objects the array holds references on the objects. The destination and essential the dealing of memory to performs consideration. Arrays versus arrays list. While arrays provide fixed size structure, that array list class allows dynamic realizing and array lists for more flexibility in terms of adding, removing, and managing elements, but they might slightly for moreover due to dynamic natures. And arrays where each elements can use different length that allows for the more flexible data types. Array manipulations. System.array copy. The method can be used to copy elements between an array efficiently, and the array.fill method is handy for setting the elements. Thank you so much.